Hi.
So guys, I want to wash Treasure hair. So this is a natural hair. So I want to wash her hair so that I can plait it, So I want to plait it because today is a Sunday, So tomorrow is kindergarten. So I have to take off her hair. So that's it, guys. So see you when she finish bathing, because I normally wash her hair when I'm bathing her. So guys, subscribe to our channel and help us to be liking our videos. Say share.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Have
What is kaput? You stay. Yeah, turn your back. Raise your head. Because she don't like washing her hair at all. It's okay, look up. Oh yeah, let's put this. You don't want this. Oh yeah, you stay. Raise your head up. Raise your head up. Open. You will not come. You stay. So this is the shampoo I'm using. I normally use their body shampoo to wash their hair. It's okay. It's okay. Now raise your head up. Turn like this.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away. smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray